In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture at Photos app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos app, then open up some album, and now here just open up the picture that you want to rotate. Next, right here at the top right corner, hit Add Edit. And now there tap at this crop icon, and here now at the top left corner you can hit at that sign to rotate this picture once at 90 degrees. Also, you can rotate it as many times as you want. Also, here you can tap at that icon to flip that photo, and here you can also select that option and then drag this bar to the right or to the left to rotate that picture to some specific amount of degrees. You can rotate it up to 45 degrees in each side. Now then also you can scale this image in that frame, and once you are satisfied with the result, just hit here at Done to save the changes. If you want to discard those changes, all you have to do is hit there at Edit and then tap on Revert and then revert to original. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.